What's going on, chess lovers? This is Maurice Bishop Chess, and y'all know my slogan, life is a game of chess. Guys, for all y'all that don't know, I am hosting a live Zoom call meeting tonight at 6:30 p.m., which is September 4th, 2020. I will be going over one of my favorite games from Emery Tate, doing some game analysis, and then after that, the floor will be open to all of you for any questions that y'all may have as far as chess, how to improve in chess, about tournaments, any questions that y'all may have, whatever it is, man, the floor will be open to y'all after the whole game analysis. So again, guys, September 4th, 2020, which is actually today. So tonight, 6:30 p.m. So be there or be square. Alright, guys, peace out. Peace.